So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $50 a day as a kid or a teenager. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you're a kid or a teenager, and this is going to be strictly mostly online. Yeah, so mostly online methods. I'm going to show you guys 3 methods in this video. What's up, guys? It's Ayub from ViralWhirl here, back at it with a brand new video. And before you get into watching this video on how to make $50 a day as a kid or teenager, I want you guys to go ahead, look in the description. I have channel set up for basically a second channel that you can go subscribe to. On that channel, I'll be showing you guys how I run my 6-figure business right on YouTube, how I use YouTube to make a 6-figure business, selling courses, making affiliate marketing sales, basically just doing 6 figures right on YouTube without doing much work. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you could do the exact same thing on that channel. Every day I'm going to be posting to that channel, showing you guys how you could start the same business model that I'm using, which is starting a YouTube channel and getting sales from the YouTube channel to your course or whatever that is that you're going to be promoting and everything else. So make sure you subscribe to that channel. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 methods, 3 ways you could use to make $50 a day as a kid or teenager. So most of the methods are going to be online too, the methods online, and the second method is going to be kind of offline and online, same thing. So yeah, 2 methods. So the first method that I'm going to be showing you is basically by managing social media accounts. So how you manage social media accounts. Basically, when you hear social media management, you think of SMA, okay? But this is way too advanced, okay? This is way too advanced for you. You don't want to start a business right off the bat. You just want to make a decent income each month. So around $500 to $800, $1,000 each month. That's how much you want to be making. And this SMA business that you see people promoting online, I'm sure most of you guys seen it on YouTube, where they tell you can manage people's social media accounts, people's Instagram accounts, Facebook, and everything. But that requires a lot of experience, meaning you need to know Facebook ads. You need to understand how to rank people on Google with SEO and all that junk, okay? But you don't know how to do that stuff, and you're just a beginner at this, okay? You're just a kid or teenager. So what you're going to do is basically be managing their social media accounts. But when I say managing, I mean just posting pictures on their accounts, posting pictures, doing hashtags, replying to people's DMs, customer service, something like that, replying to people's DMs, basically managing the accounts, posting on a daily basis, looking for content that will get them more likes, more views on their videos on Instagram, and basically all that. So that's all you're going to be doing, okay? You're not going to be doing all the advanced stuff like running Facebook ads or anything like that, because when you start running Facebook ads or when you want to get them sales or something like that, that's a whole nother ballgame. That's social media marketing as a business. Okay, so social media marketing as a business, that's going to pay you way more. Clients are going to pay you $2,000 to $5,000 each month for that, but this is the small stuff. You're just helping them with their account, posting every day, managing their accounts. And businesses usually pay around, I would say, $200 to $300 a month for this, okay? But if you're a kid or teenager, I would just go with $100, $150. That's how much I would charge a business for something like this, because you're not really doing much. So each month you would charge that business $100 or $150 each month for doing this. 150. That's how much that would net you if you charged each client 100, 150. If you have 10 clients each month, that's really good. That's going to give you $1,000 each month, and that's not hard to do, managing 10 accounts, just posting every day on those accounts, trying to keep them active, trying to keep them engaged with their customers and everything like that. So yeah, that's all you're going to be doing here. Like I said, you're not going to be running ads. You're not going to be doing all that advanced stuff. All you're going to be doing is managing their social media accounts, meaning posting and interacting with the comments, interacting with the DMs, replying to them, whatever it is. And you're going to be charging $100 to $150 each month for that. And businesses would happily pay that, because businesses nowadays know that social media is the #1 way to reach your customers and to interact and engage with your customers, your future customers. So they would happily pay someone $100 to $150 a month to manage their social media accounts. And how you get this clients is easy. You just go around town looking for businesses in your area, local businesses, local pizza shops, local food places, local restaurants. You could go around with your business card. You could make business cards, print them out. I believe you could get free business cards from, I forgot what that website is called. But yeah, you could easily find business cards for free or a really cheap price. You could print out like 100 business cards and just pass them out to every business in your town, in your city, and just explain to them what you do. Tell them, I could manage your social media accounts. I could get your following. I could manage your social media accounts. I could help you out with your customers. I could help you engage more with your customers and everything like that. And you're going to charge them $100 to $150 each month. And like I said, times that by 10, that's $1,000 each month. And you're not really doing much, like I said. Oh, that looks horrible. That's better. So yeah, like I said, you're not doing much with this. It's not going to really be hard work. The hardest part is actually getting the customers. The hardest part's going to be is getting the clients, okay? Getting the clients, that's going to be your hardest part, but it shouldn't be that hard. Like I said, all you have to do is meet up with these businesses, meet up with the owners, and speak to them about what you do, and tell them I charge a really low prices of $100 or $150 each month, and you should get your first clients. So the second method I'm going to speak of is basically InstaGC. I believe I've talked about it before, but I didn't talk in depth. But basically, InstaGC is a place where you could earn points. You earn points, like you can see right here. I have 842 points, but I haven't done none of this, okay? I haven't done anything on here. Basically, it's all from referrals on my channel. I posted a link a long time ago on my channel, and I guess people signed up, and they got points, and I got points for that. So 842 points. Don't look at that and think I made $842 because that's not it. 842 points in this website's currency, I think that's like $8.42. It's not a lot, but still, I didn't do anything to get that, and I could easily, right now, withdraw that to my PayPal account. I've done it before. I've had a lot more points, and I've already withdrew them. So basically, on InstaGC, all you do is basically either you could install apps on your phone. You could do clicks, meaning you click on a link. You could do tasks. You could do trials, sign up for trials, but some of them do require a credit card and some of them don't. So try to do the ones without credit card offers. So basically trials and then videos, okay? This is the easiest one. You basically watch videos and get paid for watching these videos. So it's that easy. And as you can see, the ticker, people are already making points, 130 points. That's basically $1.30 for doing one survey. So this is a survey website, but not all of them are surveys. Most of them are tasks. Tasks pay you the most, and trials pay you the most, and videos pay you the most. And obviously surveys do too. But like I said, every day you could watch a few videos, do a few trials, do a few tasks, and make some money, okay? You could make like $10. I wouldn't say $10, but I would say like you could make $5 every day or $8 every day if you actually try hard and take like 2 hours out of your day or 3 hours out of your day. You're gonna be able to make $500 a month or $300 a month. It's not a lot of money, but still, okay. It's like pocket change that you could use to go out with your friends, go to the mall, hang out, whatever it is that you do as a teenager or a kid. So yeah, InstaGC. And by the way, I'm not even sponsored or I'm not even getting paid to promote InstaGC. I swear to God, I'm not even sponsored to promote InstaGC. I just like promoting it because it actually works. And the reason why I actually promote it is because I tried to withdraw the money and it worked, okay? I withdrew it straight to my PayPal account, so I trust them. Some of these websites like this where you have to watch videos and do trials and tasks or surveys or whatever, they just lie, okay? They just lie to you. They say that you have to sign up and do these surveys and do everything, and people get points, and in the end you want to withdraw them, you can't do that shit. And this website actually works. And I'm not even going to put this website in my description. I'm just going to show you guys right here. Link, instagc.com. That's how you know I'm not sponsored by them 100%. So yeah, guys, that's the second method. And the third method, I would say the best method to make money as a kid or teenager is Fiverr, okay? I say this because from experience, okay, from experience, when I was 16 or 7, no, not 16, when I was 17 years old to 18 or 19, I was hustling really fucking hard, guys. I was really hustling hard on Fiverr, okay? I can even show you the account to prove it to you guys. I have a top rated seller account, a second tier top rated seller account. I think that's what they called it back then. I forgot. The website changed a lot, so I don't know what they call it now. But yeah, I do have a second rated. Fuck, I forgot what it's called. I forgot. But it is a top rated seller account. I have a top rated seller account on Fiverr. I used to sell. Hold on, I'll see if I could find. I'll see if I can find my username. Nope, I can't find it. But I'll show you guys later on. So basically on Fiverr, you could sell literally anything. But what sells the most is basically design, okay? So graphic design. And that's what I did when I was 17, 18, 19. Just dabbled with Photoshop. I've been dabbling with Photoshop since I was like, oh yeah, that's what it's called. It's called a level 2 seller, okay? So I was a level 2 seller. And at the time, I was really good at Photoshop. I was really good at designing graphics. That's what I did. Basically, what I did was learn how to design stuff, and then I started my own gig, which was making graphic design for album covers, flyers, like club flyers, party flyers, mixtape covers for rappers, and that's what made me the most amount of money. Okay, I was making anywhere from $1,000 to like $1,500 a month just off Fiverr. Okay, I was getting a lot of orders every single day. I was getting a lot of orders, to the point where I had to stop my gig. I'm serious. I was getting so many orders that I had to stop my gig just to complete the other orders that I have. So basically, on Fiverr, you could literally sell anything from graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, if you know how to animate videos, if you know how to do whiteboard animation. Just like on my channel, I do whiteboard animation. If you know how to make those types of videos, you could make it right here, whiteboard animated videos like this, okay? If you know how to animate them, that's even better. If you know how to do this. If you know how to edit videos, I'm pretty sure most of you guys do know how to edit videos. It's really easy. Well, it depends on the type of editing. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you could learn. But yeah, editing, digital marketing, if you know how to do social media marketing, if you know how to do domain research, what else? Email marketing. Literally everything, music and audio, if you know how to make beats, guys. I know a lot of people that watch my channel, a lot of you teenagers and kids know how to produce beats. I've seen it before. If you know how to produce beats, if you know how to make beats, voiceovers, if your voice is good enough for voiceovers, literally you could sell anything, okay? And then there's like a creative side to Fiverr where you could do some creative stuff like hold people's signs outside, but I've never done anything like that. I've only done the graphic design. So yeah, I would say learn a skill. It's only going to take you 3 to 4 months to learn a skill, just like graphic design or editing videos, video animation, making whiteboard animation videos, and start your own gig on Fiverr. Okay, that is the best way to make money as a teenager or kid, right on Fiverr, and you get paid right to your PayPal account. And since you're a kid or a teenager, maybe you're not 18 yet, you won't be able to have a PayPal account. You could use your parents' PayPal account to withdraw that money. And basically, like I said, start your own gigs, video editing, graphic design, digital marketing, programming, if you know how to program. Literally any skill that you know how to do, you could promote it here on Fiverr. And you could sell anything. Just because it says Fiverr doesn't mean you're going to be selling your stuff for $5, okay? See, right here it says starting at $5, but I'm pretty sure this guy's not going to do professional editing for in under 24 hours for $5. Let me show you guys. Hold on. That's only the basic gig, okay? You're going to have to add extras. The premium is $35, okay? So that's a $35 premium. And at the time, I was selling my mixtape covers for like, I think, $45 or $50 a cover. And like I said, it was making really good money. It was making $1,000 to $1,500 a month. And I was a level 2 seller. I'll probably give my level 2 seller account away to any of you guys. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give my account away so you could post, because if you have a level 2 seller account, it's gonna be easy to rank on Fiverr. It's gonna be easy to rank your gig on Fiverr if you're a level 2 seller than it is if you're new to the game. Okay, so if so this is how we're gonna do it. If you actually have a skill, if you actually know how to edit videos, if you actually know how to do graphic design, if you know how to program anything, I'm gonna give you my account. Just comment down below what you know how to do. If you're a graphic designer, if you're a video editor, if you're a translator, you can translate something from French to English, whatever it is, a skill that you have, and you're a teenager or kid, I'm gonna give this account to you. Okay, I'm gonna give it to a random person. I'm just gonna pick randomly, and in my next video, I'll probably give the account to someone. Okay, it's a level 2 seller account. I'm gonna give it away because I don't even use it. I haven't used it for like 4 years or something. I think 3 years. I haven't used it. So yeah, I'm gonna give that away to someone who can actually make it work, someone who can actually make money off it. Okay, so like I said, Fiverr is the third, and it is the best way to make money. And no, again, I'm not promoted, I'm not sponsored, I'm not getting paid by Fiverr either. It's just what I did in the past from experience. I'm just showing you guys what I did in the past to make money, and what made me money as a teenager, and what made me money as a teenager or kid. So yeah, guys, don't forget, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, if you want to know more how you can make, how you can start a business right on YouTube, how you can start a 6-figure business just like me on YouTube with a YouTube channel, subscribe to my second channel. I promise you're going to love it. I'm going to make videos there every single day. The first video is going to be crazy, okay? It's going to be a really good video on that channel. So once I have 100 subscribers on that channel, I'm going to start posting videos every single day on affiliate marketing, how to start a business on YouTube, how to start your own channel and make it a 6-figure business without even having a lot of subscribers, with only 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, guys, make sure you watch for that channel. Go subscribe. Again, it's in the description down below. And that's it, guys. Peace.